How to deploy Openclaw AI on the Honor MagicPad 4. Enter into LinuxLab. The Openclaw AI is pre-installed. However, setting up a model is required. Use Minimax as an example of a model provider. Choose Minimax API Key Global as authentication method. Enter the API key you obtained from your subscription. Pick a model and you are ready to go. Now you can start entering prompts for the AI agent to assist with your work.
Honor.